to create a GIS map and database for the Faculty of Engineering UPM using open source remote sensing data and other GIS data, as well as GNSS point data. So, uh, but the recommended software is QGIS, and uh, it is it is interactive if we can collect the point data around the surround the Faculty of Engineering using some of the mobile GPS applications that we will be looking for today, such as Locus Map, SW Maps, and QFew to collect some ground truth. So in this practical later on, you can build your database in the form of attribute table and overlay them in the in the uh, in the QGIS interface and as well as the OpenStreetMap. So I will demonstrate this later on uh, near my near my surrounding. So okay, so when I am demonstrating this using the mobile applications, you can also download that. Okay, so okay, so for today for today's sessions, we will talk about the point data collections using mobile applications. So three of the mobile applications will be used, such as SW Maps, Locus Map, and QFew. So we have 1 hour. I will I will demonstrate first how to collect the point data using SW Maps, and hopefully we have time and we can also look into the by using the locus map. So these two can help you for your assignments too later on. So I will I will demonstrate lively and near my surrounding. So for this SW map, you can download the apps using Google Play Store. If but this mobile application is applicable for the Android phone. So maybe from someone are using the iPhone, it is not so suitable. Okay, I think without further ado, I just briefly gone through the content before I demonstrate outside from the state working stations. So so first later on as I will demonstrate using my phone device. Later on, first we need to assess the sky plot and GNSS status, whether we have enough the number of satellite. For example, in the right diagram, we see there are several satellite. If we are open our location GPS location, so we can see and detect that. And we can see that on the left side there are several GNSS information such as DOP. DOP is the dilutions of precisions. The lower the residue value, the better it is. And also the satellite in view. For example, we have 30 satellite surrounding on the current locations. Okay, so I will demonstrate this outside from my working stations later on. So you can now um, download from the Play Store, and later on when I go outside, I will demonstrate in the field on how to collect the point. You guys also can follow follow the flow and also try to uh, move from your working stations and test it outside using this using these mobile applications. So So later on, I will take three format, which are polygon, tracks, and point. So I will do the track. I will record the tracks first. You record the track from the current place into as a starting point into the end point. Okay, and this is the point. Secondly, I will collect the point, and thirdly, I will also demonstrate how to collect the polygon. So later on, I will come back uh, again from outside. I will come back uh, at the in my working stations again, and then I will demonstrate how to display this data that we have collected on a map. Okay, so without further ado, I now I will close and stop sharing, and later on I will resume again when I am at outside and connect the online using my phone device. Okay, I will come back. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Now I'm at outside already. So I think at this moment, when have you guys already have you successfully installed the SW maps in your phone? So uh, yeah, because I will start to demonstrate. So later on, you can try it also. So have you successfully found the SW maps and installed it in your phone?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So now I will be sharing just a moment. Okay. Okay, I have shared uh my phone's screen. So so now I'm in the car. I'm in the car now. So I will record the track first, and then the track record will be recorded down when I am driving later from the start point to the end point. So after the in the end point, I will reach an open space or open field, and then from there we will start to collect the point and also polygons. So as you can see from my this phone apps interface, there is one icon SW map. So I just click, and and as inside in the SW maps, it has open project. So I click open projects, and then we can create the new project. We select the new project, 411. I renamed the project name as ECV 4511 GNSS, and then I click create. Okay, so new project has been created. Okay, so I just click the bottom right. There's one icon, the single eye icon. I just click that, and then uh, it show my current locations. You see, you can see it, right? So with the circle. So we before I start the driving, we need to access the GNSS status first. So from this GPS, we just click that, and then uh, we can see GNSS, right? So for in this GNSS part, we can click either GNSS status or skyplot to observe or to assess the current GNSS uh, status in my current position. So so I click the GNSS state. So as we can see, satellite in view. How many satellite in view? 43 satellite in view. So it means in my current positions, uh, at the atmos at the up uh, space there. They are they are uh, 38 satellites in view, and then satellite in use is 30. So, and they have the PDOP, that's the dilution of precision. The lower the residue, the better it is, the value. So ellipsoid height also, later on you can check. These all are very important informations in this basic GNSS. So we at least we know the basic GNSS informations from our current position, right? So you can see ellipsoid height, 107.455 meter longitude, latitude, XY, and so on. Okay, so the horizontal accuracy is 3.79 meter, vertical accuracy is 2.5 meter. So the accuracy is within this range. And then after that, if you want to see, uh, because as we are just extract the basic informations in the numerical terms. How about if I want to visualize the number of satellite in my current location? Can I do that? Yes, we can do that by choosing the sky plot. So in this sky plot, as we can see that the orientations or the positions of the satellite uh, in the row degrees shaped. Okay, so this is the, and you can see G30 B13 for each satellite. There's called satellite ID. So but in this application we cannot really see what type of the GNSS satellite is belong to, whether it's Galileo, Beidou, or yeah. So maybe this the one of these limitation for this um, for this application. So we cannot see on GNSS, Beidou, or yeah, so, or Galileo, GLONASS, and so on. So we just can see the satellite ID. Okay, so without further ado, um, now I will record the track first, and then in the center of the upper right, there is the REC, right? So you just click to record the track. So in this record track, there's a track name. Okay, I put it road road track. Okay, descriptions, you can put the description, but I didn't put that here. After that, okay, after that, I think it is okay to do the setting ready. And bottom right, you can see the circle. There is the once we click the circle in at our bottom right, that means it will start recording. So okay, so on and start driving to the open field. So from the starting point. So now my current location is the starting point. Okay. Track name website website two, because just now I have delete another one. Web track. Okay. Okay. So it has been counted. So as you can see, the line is creating the track line is has been created, right? So at the bottom, you can see how many accuracy when I'm driving the when I'm driving is about the within 3.5 to 4.7. Okay, I'm going to reach the destinations, the endpoint. So you can also try it now near your place. Okay, I have reached the endpoint, and I just I just want to click stop. So as you can see, how many this uh, distance in the length I have uh, tried just now. So it's about 868. So after that, it's time to close it or to stop the recording. So just click the stop button at the bottom right. Okay, so track has been recorded. So after that, I just click close. So you can see that uh, you can see the track. Okay. Okay. So track. So in the following part, in the following part, we can try. We can try to record the feature. Okay. Just a moment. We can try to record the feature. Okay. So the feature we put it as the if you collect if let's say if you collect some feature in surround the faculty of engineering, you can if we collect the point or feature for building, so just click add. Okay, so this is building, and let me minimize and optimize. Okay, so in my this current positions, let's say I want to collect um, the building feature. So I just click the plus icon at the bottom right below. Okay, so as you can see, one point has been collected, right? So after that, I walk to another building to collect the point. Okay, when I reach the building feature, I would like to take the second point for this building feature. I just click the plus icon at the bottom right again and save it. So the save is like this shape in the middle of in the middle of middle right. Okay, so basically let me take another point because we still need to go back to the booking station there. Okay, so this is my third point for this building. So after that, I click save. So attribute save. So let's say in practical assignment 2, you have features such as the building, lake or water, tree, and so on. You can create several layers for each features. But today I will demonstrate only one feature since we didn't have much time. So after that we have done for the point collections. So 3 point, right? And then I think that's all for point. Okay, so it is important to click this shape because later on it didn't save it. Okay, and now I'm going to close. Okay, and now move to how about if you want to collect the polygon. So I go to record features again and add layer. Okay, add layer. I put it, define the layer as, for example, I want to I want to take the I want to draw a square polygon at the vegetations play area. So you can choose the size and the color. So I choose green color now. And after that, just click add. Okay, so now to create the square polygon, we need 4 or 3 points, at least more than three. Okay, so in my current point, I make one. I take one in my current point first. Okay, point recorded, and then I go to another place to take my second current point for the polygon, and now I go to the third current point. Okay, just a moment, just a moment, just a moment, because I take the point, um, I will correct it again. So because we are taking the polygon, so just now is the point. I'm sorry for the mistake. Okay, vegetation tree. I define it again. Okay, okay. So this is my first point for polygon. Point recorded. Just a moment. I choose it again. Okay. Second point, and now I'm going for my third point for the polygon. Okay, as you can see, polygon has been created, right, for these 3 points. Based on these 3 points, we have created the polygon. Okay, so now I think we have successfully collect the polygon based on the 3 points and taking a few of the points as well as the track. After that, after that, you we need to share or export our project so that later on we can download from uh, whether any platform. You can share to email, WhatsApp, or any platform or export. And but in share shapefile, in the share, after you click the share, you need to choose share shapefile and then share, click share, and then there will be several platform so to be shared. Okay, and now I will close it first. I will close it for this, and I will go back to the working station later on. Later on, we will display. After we have we have down from the we have download down the from download the file, so we can display them in the QGIS interface. So I think I will close first.
You how are you done? Okay, okay. I have downloaded down the file. Just let me share my screen. Okay, as you can see in my screen, this is the file that we extracted or collected in the view. So now I just try to extract them. Okay, inside there you can we can see building tracks, vegetations, and so on. So let's display or import them into QGIS software. So for these vegetations or vegetation 2D, we either choose one of them because it's the same. So I think I import the track. So we can choose either one. It's still the same. Okay. So I think I choose this. Okay. So this is the track, and then when we open the attribute table, we can see it is in the unit of meter, as the distance for this track is 870 meter. Now I open the point. Okay, so this is the point for building, but in this attribute table, we can see some of these informations, elevations, longitude, latitude, and when it is recorded. And lastly, I just import the polygon. Okay, as you can see, for this polygon, okay, I think for this polygon, it is name vegetation's area, length, the area is 30 meter, like that. So after that, we can overlay them at the OpenStreetMap. Okay, as you can see, this is the start point and end point for the track, point, and polygon. So I think that's all from me. So hopefully I will share this slide because we are due to the time constraint, we are unable to proceed for this locus map and also QField. So in the practical assignment, you can utilize either one of them for this practical assignment too. Okay, so also after that, you can use this data and as a ground truth for these image classifications. For example, lens, if you want to classify the lens cover using Landsat or Sentinel-2, and then in this Faculty of Engineering, you can use these SW maps to take the ground truth for each features, and after that overlay it on the Landsat image and do the classifications using machine learning algorithm. It is also feasible to do that. So I think that's all from me today. So
Okay, Yuhao, thank you very much.
you're welcome, Doctor.
Okay, so I think Yuhao already shared with you the information about practical 2. I also put it on Putra Blast, so you can refer to the information about the practical 2. Okay. Okay. So we can stop here for today. Okay, and inshallah I'll see you next Friday for your presentation. If anything, I will let you know. If because I will confirm back to you whether the class next week will be on or not. But at the moment, it is on as scheduled. So just get yourself prepared, okay, for your oral presentation. I will pick up the groups by random for next week. Okay.
Okay, Doctor.
Okay, guys. I'll see you again next week. All right. Have a good day and have a good weekend ahead. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Prof.
Sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.